This side, the guys are working on putting the burner together.
Well, the witch coat's gonna be over here. The tiger lip's gonna be on the wall here.
Okay.
So right,
Yes. You want to put
almost the same length,
I guess.
right?
Yeah. You want to
You got one of those release, you need a
I've never used this for oil. Can you use this for oil? Yes, you can.
I gotta cut it down.
Anti-seize
You
lubricating
need a
compound.
release for a snake. Snake bite. Snake, shark bite.
Is this Ronnie's?
Actually, I might.
Yes.
Ask him if he uses that for oil.
No, you can't use this.
Can't.
No.
We're gonna probably need a big bucket though, put this in first.
Okay, bucket is just outside the door.
There's one here.
Okay, your adjustable, they're working with on your adjustable.
You using that True Blue on top? That the dope.
You need it?
Yeah.